Hey there, let's talk about passwords, your first line of defense against cyber threats. It's easy to overlook how important they are, but trust me, a lot of people end up reusing simple passwords across their accounts or, even worse, using details that are way too easy to guess. And guess what? That's exactly what hackers are banking on. Imagine if someone got into your personal or business accounts all because of a weak password. Scary, right? Now, creating a strong password doesn't have to be rocket science. Just make sure it's at least 12 characters long and throw in a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Stay away from obvious stuff like your name, birthday, or simple words. Instead, why not try a passphrase? Something like combining a few random words with numbers and symbols. It's hard for anyone to crack, but still easy for you to remember. Another great tip is using a password manager. These tools are lifesavers. They securely store your complex passwords and can even generate new ones for you. With a password manager, you only need to remember one master password, making everything else safe and easy to access. Don't forget to enable multi-factor authentication wherever you can. It's an extra step, but it's worth it. Even if someone gets their hands on your password, this added layer makes it way harder for them to break in. And hey, keep your passwords fresh by updating them regularly. Cyber threats are always evolving, so changing your passwords every 3 to 6 months is a smart move to keep your information safe. One more thing, avoid using the same password for different accounts. If one site gets hacked, you want the rest of your accounts to stay secure. Unique passwords for each account can really limit your risk. Oh, and never share your passwords. If you have to let someone access your account temporarily, change it as soon as they're done. The less your password is out there, the safer you are. In the end, taking a few extra minutes to create strong passwords, using tools like password managers, and setting up multi-factor authentication are proactive steps that go a long way in keeping your information safe. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite strategy for keeping your password secure. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe out there.